was raised by a mother who believed that living your life on your own terms was an essential part of being a woman. And I'm here because when I was writing a book on the right to privacy, which was intended to help a general audience understand that, to paraphrase Justice Brandeis, it is the right most prized by civilized women. I met women who had helped other women make difficult choices in the years before Roe and faced going to jail for doing that. But I also met other women who were willing to harm doctors and women seeking to exercise their constitutional rights. And I learned that we can never stand aside when we see those fundamental rights under attack.